Digital cameras are no longer a luxury these days, with high-resolution megapixels and sophisticated features coming within a very appealing price range. And thanks to many comprehensive digital camera reviews, it's easy to pick the most sought-after features and qualities and still stay within a budget. Most people turn to digital photography because they like the ease of printing and sharing photos on the web. Business owners choose the digital quality for their product catalogs or brochures, students employ digital cameras for their projects, and with digital cameras in most recent cell phones, even a child can take a snap and publish it instantly on the web. And thanks to the newest lens and zooming qualities, you don't have to be a seasoned pro to shoot close to professional images with modern digital cameras. You can hardly find a digital camera today with a resolution lower than 2 megapixels, 2 million color dots per picture. This is a decent quality for most uses, including printing the photos for the home or school use. The higher the megapixel rate, the bigger photos you can print without sacrificing the quality. However, if you are not a professional photographer or a graphic professional who deals with upscale images all the time, you don't really need a digital camera that produces more than 8 megapixel camera, and these rarely become available for less than $1,000. Plus, if you seek to print large detailed photos, make sure you have a high-quality printer that can reproduce all the tiny details that make a difference. When you pick a digital camera, you should also pay attention to the zoom number. Digital cameras have two different kinds of zoom. Digital zoom enlarges all pixels digitally, while optical zoom enlarges the image with the lens magnification. Since you can always enlarge the image later, on the computer using Photoshop or other image manipulation programs, you would be better to concentrate on a higher optical zoom rate. The average optical zoom for mid-level digital cameras is 2 to 4x. There are a few other options to consider: whether a digital camera uses a rechargeable battery, zoom and LCD screen consume a lot of energy, whether the digital camera has a standard flash memory, you may need to buy a few more flash memory cards in future, and if the menus are easy to understand. If you travel a lot, you may want a digital camera that is lightweight and compact. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market proven to work.